Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is breaking out to the upper side. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.04267 mark. And I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And for those that watched my previous video in the morning, I say to you that today I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market as a result of the CPI and the FOMC meeting. And at the time of this recording, we have now seen the CPI data, which came out to be 5%, and the forecast, that is the value that we expected, was 5.1. So that means the CPI came lower than we expected, and that is bullish for the market. And as a result of the CPI data, we are seeing a lot of volatility in the market, and there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing higher prices, continue breaking through key areas of resistances until we fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. So here on the Gala Games chart, my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, and giving you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04954 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on. And the first one is a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here in white, which lies at around the $0.04267 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that and continue holding above it, then there are high chances that Gala Games is going to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark. And the moment we manage to break through that key area of resistance, then we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And the moment that we have that high for that wave 3, then we can expect a wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a first wave, and that was after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this white target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, which is the Elliot wave structure that has just given me the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.